What's up, everybody? This is coming soon. Now we're landing at the Bahamas.
What is that?
Very blue here, so let's get to it. We're going to go to TSA pre-check. I'm not going to be able to, I'm not going to be able to record, but we will get back at the water slides. Okay. Now we're going down to water slide. We're gonna go down this a couple more times, but first after this, we're gonna go down the rock climbing, then the water slide launches you down. Bye.
Okay. This is crazy, guys.
Now we're going down this slide. This one is one that launches you off. It's a fun one. Let's get to it. Now we're at the scariest slide here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, this is scary. I hold my back on this one. Yeah, sucks. We're gonna do another recording at the end of that one. Thank you, bye. This one is also called Thunderbolt. Okay, now we're at this slide. It's very fun. This is like a workout walking up, but it's cool. It's fun. So now we're at this slide.
This is crazy.
Yeah, so
Like this?
it shoots water at you. Yeah, this one is fun.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
This isn't squirting water at you, so yeah.
Oh my god! This is so fun! This is so fun! Woo! Oh my god! Oh
up all these stairs. It sucks. Now we're going down this water slide. I'm basically doing it backwards.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's waterproof.
Basically backwards. Like,
Bro, I heard a sound. I heard a beeping sound.
Oh, that means it starts recording.
Yeah.
I think it is kind of cool. Oh no, I have my camera backwards. That's okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that was fun. Okay. Now my dad is recording me. He did a good job recording me at school. Bye-bye.
Cross your legs. Cross your legs. Yeah. Just stay like that. Oh man.
Now I jump off this cliff. It's very fun. It's big. It was at the beginning of the video. So, again. So this is fun. It's crazy, I know. Going down this slide again. Yeah, this one is fun. Yeah, I hope. Ow. Yeah.
Strawberry or burnt?
Now we're gonna be doing some
Sweet.
fishing. Let's get to it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Strawberry or burnt?
Coming. Ah.
Alright.
Sweet. High five. Nice.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Again, like and subscribe. We'll go down this water slide again. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye. There will be a video. Please like, follow, subscribe, share, and use the sound. Anything you can. It will support my channel so I can make awesome videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.